Welcome guys to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we will be making this beautiful news app, and we will fetch the API response with the help of Retrofit. uh, and yeah, so you can see that it has got like really beautiful card view, and if we click on one card and then we save our articles, then we have our save news. If we click on this action delete button, then we can delete all of our news. If we go back, then it brings us to breaking news fragment, but we can search news by fragments also, by category also, sorry. Let's say if we need a business news, then this is the business news icon. If we need a sports news, then obviously in the action bar the name gets updated, and we can go back to breaking news again like that. And if we search, so let's say we can type Miami, so there is this Miami card is displaying, but if we can close this, then everything goes back to like the way it was. So this is basically the goal here, to develop a news app that uses uh, MVVM and Kotlin Coroutines, Retrofit, and whatnot. Like we have got like navigation component also, so we are using pretty much a very new kind of technology of Android. And all of these files, like the logic files where we create the code, I'll be like making in front of you, but all these drawables and the layouts, I think we should not get into all this. So probably once I post this tutorial, the link will be provided in the description, that you can download these layouts and also all the assets that we have here. And at the same time, please do subscribe to my channel, and also like give me some encouragement in the comments or suggestions. And also you can just follow my Instagram, Samuel Codes. So at the same time, the main purpose of this tutorial is like to show you how to get a news response or like a API response. But if you're not familiar with it, because obviously it's a little bit of an advanced concept, so you have to like register here to get your API key, something like this. It will I'm not like, it is not the best practice to show the API key, but this is tutorial, so I'm just going to like show you. But there was the website newsapi.org that you can like go to and register. It's free. And once like you have got this link, so for example, if we need news about the Tesla, then there is this query parameter here, and takes in Tesla as a string, and it displays the Tesla news. But this is the API key that we get from this website. So it's just some sort of alphabetical gibberish that you can like put it in here, and then you see the response. So what I'll do here is that if I can go to my other tab where I have it, you see here, this is kind of API key looks like for most websites. So if I click on this, then all these top headlines I'm able to see, right? So like, how do I make this response more readable? Because let's see, if here is author, how do I display this word on my app itself? So let's say this is BBC News, right? And here, like if we see somewhere, we'll see source, so it's ID Fox News. So yeah, how do I like fetch all this and display it in my views, right? So we will also be using Glide. That's a library that helps us to load the images, and we will also be converting this time, because if we see here, then the time is actually being shown like this, right? But how do we make sure that it displays in our readable language, right? So this is what we are going to do for this tutorial. I know it's going to be a little bit longer tutorial, and yeah, your patience is much appreciated, and please do subscribe and like the channel. So I'll see you in the next tutorial, where we will set up the project.